Hello my favorite people, welcome back to my channel. And since it's a new month, you know the drill, it's a new country, but this time the travel is super special because it's not a regular vacation, it's an 8-day safari tour. We are in Nairobi, Kenya, and we are taking up an 8-day safari tour. We'll be visiting Amboseli, Lake Naivasha, and the best part of the entire tour, Masai Mara. So follow along. We just reached Nairobi. We today's day is a chill day, so everything's planned by the agency, the tour agency that we're working with. I'll give details of everything because this one is interesting and you need a lot of information if you're planning a trip to Masai Mara. So I'll make a separate video about it. But today's agenda, the sun is just dancing here and there. That's why you see this change in the lighting. But we just made it to Nairobi. It's around 2:30 now and we reached our hotel. So today is a chill day, we're just relaxing. For dinner we are going to a very special place which was suggested by Isha, which is one of the must-dos in Nairobi, which is carnivore, because there's something called Feast Like a Beast where you get these exotic meats. So that's where we are planning to go today evening. But for now I'll show you the room. I'll give you a room tour. We also have lunch here at the restaurant because this entire package comes with onboard meals. So you just pay the entire package tour and everything's taken care of. We got picked from the airport to our hotel, and tomorrow is when our safari starts. So today we're just going to chill and relax and eat a lot. And I'll give you a room tour, and after that I'll see you in carnivore because I think starting today I'm a mega carnivore. Hello guys, welcome to room tour of our first day in Nairobi. So this is a very basic stay that we have. As soon as you enter, you have a wash area with toilet and shower area here. And then you have this storage space which is a little messed up at this point. Then you have a bed with all the functionalities there, a TV with my name on it. I think it will come in some time. And then this seating area. You also have a desk with a big mirror and a great view of the pool and this children's play area, and then there's also a restaurant and a DJ there. So overall this is our first day in Nairobi. Catch you at the carnivore. Bye. After you eat ox balls, you turn into an ox. We're back from carnivore and it was an amazing experience. You eat so much that you're going to be full. And there are certain exotic meats. Unfortunately, we couldn't get alligator today because that was not available. But there was ostrich meatballs, there was ostrich meat, there was ox balls, which I just didn't like, but Deepak liked it. It had a particular smell which I couldn't eat. But the cocktail is a must try. It's called dawa, which I think is dawa because there's a doctor that comes and makes it in front of you and then they serve it. And if you ask for another one, they say, oh, you need an extra dose. So it's actually fun. The service is great. The ambience is great. The staff is amazing. And you have food coming in on your table every 5-10 minutes. And then you also get a dessert or a tea, coffee with the entire buffet. Overall, I enjoyed it. I think it's 33 euros per person and it's extra for the cocktails, but I think it's totally worth it. So if you're here in Nairobi, do give it a try. I think it's one of the must do's if you like eating and if you're a foodie, so you can give it a try. But otherwise, we're done with our half day or day one in Nairobi, and tomorrow is where the fun begins. We have a call time of 7 a.m. 7 a.m. is when our tour guide is going to pick us, and the first stop is Amboseli Lake. Or is it not a lake? It's a park. It's a park, I think. So from tomorrow, you see everyday game drives and safari adventures. Today was a short, sweet video here. But if you like this video, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. And stay tuned for what's coming next, because for sure it's going to be amazing. And I hope we get to spot the big five. So see you tomorrow.